Today, we're making festive candy corn cupcakes that capture the classic Halloween colors and flavors. Here's what you'll need: 1 box of vanilla or Funfetti cake mix, candy corn pieces, yellow, orange, and white food coloring, buttercream frosting, cupcake liners, and a cupcake tray. Start by preparing your vanilla or Funfetti cake batter as per the package instructions. Once it's mixed, divide the batter evenly into 3 bowls. To get those iconic candy corn layers, add yellow food coloring to the first bowl, orange to the second, and leave the third bowl uncolored. Spoon the yellow batter into each cupcake liner, filling about 1/3. Next, add the orange batter and then top it off with the plain batter. This will give your cupcakes the perfect candy corn look once they're baked. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once the cupcakes have cooled, it's time to frost. Using buttercream, create a swirl pattern with yellow, orange, and white frosting to match the candy corn colors. For a final touch, garnish each cupcake with candy corn pieces to give them a festive finish. And there you have it, delicious candy corn cupcakes, perfect for your Halloween party. Enjoy these sweet and spooky treats, and don't forget to share with friends. Happy Halloween!